Welcome to our quick guide on updating your WhatsApp status with a question for your followers. If you've ever wondered how to engage your contacts with a little curiosity, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you posting your question in seconds. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you're on the latest version so you can access the most current features. Once you're in, look for the Updates tab. This is where you'll create a new status update to share with your contacts. Tap on Updates to open the Status Composer. From there, you can choose how you want to present your question. You can select an existing photo or video from your gallery, capture a new photo or video right now, or even type a short text to accompany your question. Pick the option that fits your vibe, whether you want a visual prompt, a quick clip, or a simple text reveal. Now, it's time to add the question itself. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and choose the question sticker. This feature is perfect for inviting responses directly from your audience. Type your question into the sticker, keep it clear and engaging so people know exactly what you're asking. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Done to confirm. Before you share, take a quick moment to preview your status. Make sure the question is easy to read, the colors contrast well against your background, and the overall look matches the mood you want to set. If you're using a photo or video, the sticker will sit atop your media, making the prompt obvious and inviting. When everything looks good, send your status. Your followers will see the question sticker on your update and can respond directly. If you want to spark even more interaction, consider pairing the question with a call to action, like inviting thoughts or opinions in the comments or replying to the status with a quick message. That's all there is to it. You've added a question to your WhatsApp status and created a simple, interactive way to connect with your contacts.